of better pearl millet genotypes. So, myself, Dr. Harshraj Shinde, I'm postdoctoral scholar in University of Kentucky. So currently, I'm working on genomics and epigenetics and genetics group in under Department of Horticulture here. So during my PhD, I work on pearl millet. So here I will speak mainly about the salinity trait and how genomics we applied to study the salinity stress in pearl millet. So this is the outline of my talk. So in introduction, I will give about introduction about salinity stress and its impact on agriculture. Then I will speak about pearl millet. Then its abiotic stress tolerant capacity. Then
studies. Yeah, so I have organized my presentation in following topics. First, I will any plant. So this was the paper published in 2019 in Nature Genetics. Here they sequenced more than 20,000 barley samples using genotyping by sequencing technology. And then the data obtained was used for studying the global genetic diversity, identification of duplicates, and then finally for genome association study for disease resistant traits in barley. So I will explain in next slide how the data, how this genotyping sequencing works, and how that data can be used for doing all this downstream analysis. So genotyping by sequencing, as the name suggests, It's the procedure for simultaneous SNP identification and genotyping of large number of samples.
Participants and each and every one. So participants and each and every one. So myself, Dr. Sivalingam Ilayabalan. Okay, I'm the head of the department in crop improvement. So working as a assistant professor cum research scientist in MIM Institute of Agriculture and Technology. Okay, the first and foremost, thanks to my team members to conducting this sustainable agriculture for future and present mankind. So what are the innovative technologies we need to adopt and to make good healthier life? Okay, so in this section, first I am giving a short introduction about the topic. So the sustainable agriculture is for most important. How we need to run sustainably our life through growing our plants. Also the current and future need for agri and horti technology. How the sustainable agriculture to linking between the production productivity of these crops. Okay, also we need to learn what are the farming tools should learn to make the sustainable agriculture. Okay, so this is my email ID and my contact. Okay, so first, what are the innovative technologies to make healthier life as well as the sustainable life and also the sustainable agriculture? So I'm listed, there was the 9 important technologies and 9 mantras for making sustainable agriculture for the present and future generation. Okay, the first one is the production of nutrient dense fruits and vegetables. The first mantra is nutrient dense fruits and vegetables. Next one is high density planting. Okay, then permanent agriculture, that is called permaculture. Then production of microgreens and sprouts. Then floating agriculture, barter technology, application of mobile app for exchanging of food and growing technology. Then need for community garden. Then the foremost important post-harvest last food grains and fruits and vegetables. How to make fruit jelly, how to make homemade jam, homemade squash. Yes, we should know the technologies. Finally, the foremost important 3R technologies, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. These are the 9 mantras to make a sustainable life as well as sustainable agriculture as well as to safeguard our earth from the natural disaster, this pandemic situation. So we need to think over the 9 mantras. I'm going to describe the individual technologies. Okay, the first technology is the production of nutrient dense fruits and vegetables. The name nutrient dense. Why we want to eat nutrient dense fruits and vegetables? Yes, we are getting day to day life all the fruits and vegetables from the market. How many of you know the nutrition profile of individual fruits and vegetables? How much of where it was grown, which soil it is grown, doesn't know. If you buy the biscuit packets, if you buy the other goods material in your supermarket, everything is there, the nutrition profile, this much carbohydrate, this much protein, this much calories, this much vitamins, everything they are listing the profiles. What about our fruits and vegetables? We never think about where it is grown, what is the nutrition profiling, what we are eating. We are never bothering that things. How we will be a healthier life. Yeah, in our globe having diversified soil profile, diversified fruits and vegetables. So why we want to think about the nutrition dense fruits and vegetables? That is the foremost important for soil health management and plant health management, our health also. The triangle is there. So if you take an example, apple, they planted in 1950s in a Himalaya region. They take the 1950s, after 2 years they make the fruits. They take the fruits, they studied about the nutrition profiling, what are